Alright everybody, here we go. We're going to change this out with this new one. This one has the rubber fittings. It's actually a lot better. Okay, it's got these rubber fittings on there. And that one is only taped with the sort of tape. Let's see if we can undo this. I'm going to come in here with this tape. I just wanted to show you real quick what's happening. The last person that put that in. See it? Kinked like that. No wonder the thing wasn't drying. You can damage your dryer like that. Alrighty? Let's see. Let's make sure we can see our job. There we go. So I'm going to pull this off. To make it faster, I got one of these. Hey guys, they got this contraption. It is got a strap on it. See. Let's look at it. Alright, what I'm going to do is take that off and just clean a little bit and make sure it's smooth. So when the rubber slides over it, if you notice this end, see how that end has rubber? It's going to slide right over that. And it's going to snug it up. But just in case, so I did buy these rings, okay? Here we go. I'll take my screw gun. Okay. So it says to put this in here. Let's take a look at the directions. Everything has directions. So, let's see. Can you see that? That's the dryer part. That goes over it. And then this is where, that's the wall part. Right? It goes into the wall. And then, let's see, it says slip bit connector fitting over dryer dust. Exhaust. Okay. Okay, so the small piece, insert connector fitting into the pipe. So the small piece, this piece has to go inside there. So, you see it? See. This one goes into the vent pipe. That's the vent pipe. So yeah. Let's go ahead and this. And I have to try and straighten it out. Oh my gosh, look. I'm going to turn a little bit. Oh my gosh. That's solid. Okay. What I'm going to do just for my sake. Let's see, where's the other piece at? Oh, it's on here. go right here. Ah, fudge. Gotta get your finger in there. See that? Nice and tight. Check this out. Now we're gonna go here on the dryer. Can we see it though? Yep. Sure can. Just do the same thing here. Get the knife. See how that was there? Okay. There we go. So you see how it goes there? Check this out. We'll take this old stuff out of here. This can be recycled aluminum. So I'm gonna go up here first. I'm gonna pull slow and easy, and I'm going to give it some turn. Okay, flexible. I'm going to try and see if I can do up and over. So I'm going to go up and then back down, because you only have this much room behind here. Okay, so if I go up, all right, let's put it back down. See what we got. Let's go. Put you here. So here we are. And go right here. So I'm going to open this up. Put this up here. Get this over it. I'm going to bring it over. Make sure that rubber stays. Then we're going to bring it up here. I don't know why this bent. So you can see that right there bent. See this thing here? It's not good. I gotta crush it down. So I'm going to take this. See what we got now? Nice little sleeve. Check this out. Now it's round. I'm gonna turn it while I push it up. See how I pushed it in there? Look how good that rubber seals it. Now, just for safety's sake, I'm gonna put this back in. Okay. I'm gonna go all the way back to the end. This time, I gotta hold it here so it doesn't pinch me. Now it's nice and tight. So it's snug, it's sealed. This was part of the old thing. Now, here we go. Whoever did this apparently got some issues here. It looks okay. I don't smell any gas. So I'm picking up on it. See here. Here we go. So you got it started up. So I'm going to, let's see if this will work here. Pull it very gently. I'm going to get out now. Now I'm going to hit it with the wall. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so we're going to watch this. Okay. See where we at. There. Guys, there. Let's see, maybe I could put it back straight, but then they won't let it go all the way back. You're not going to get much back. So you're going to go as far as you can without crushing that pipe. Alright, let's see what we got. See that? Any more than that, now you're crushing it, everything. There's just no way of doing it. So I'd rather put it on the side because it's easier for it to travel the air If it's all the way up, then air has to climb up, goes against gravity. So for me, what I like to do is to see if I can do this. Just like that. There you go. It's as good as it's gonna get. Alrighty?
Okay.
So Miss Carol,
Uh-huh.
if you go any further than this, it's gonna be kind of tight. You want to take a look?
Okay.
Because there's no other way. It's so
That's how it has to be?
well. If we push it, then your air won't circulate right and dry right.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay,
Unless
we'll
you
leave
switch.
We can leave it.
You're gonna leave it?
Yeah. It'll be okay.
Yeah. If it's okay like this.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Only because this is what happened to it. See?
Yeah, when you take it out?
It
Yeah.
squashed it.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if you were trying pretty easy, but this was there,
Okay.
and you didn't have much airflow.
Okay. And there's no way to make this shorter. You have to leave it.
It's the way it comes.
Okay. Okay. I think it'll be okay. I have room to put down the door, so
Yeah.
I'm good. Yeah. All right.
This door will open 100%.
Okay, perfect.
Okay?
That's the
And then
deal.
later on, if you want, you can move them over.
Oh, you mean like move that to there?
Yeah, but then you'll be short on the
On the
bottom.
hose, yeah. So I had a little black tie wrap
Yeah.
that he hooked
Tied that.
it up there. I don't know why, but I don't know if it needs it or not. It's up to you. Tell me if you think we need it.
If you have one, I'll put one up.
I'll try to find one in my garage. We'll
no
see.
worries. So
Actually, it might be. It was on the lid
I'll get it.
in there, maybe. I mean, it might have. Anyway, I've got to run to get children, but I
Sure.
can turn on water when I come back.
Yeah, yeah, just,
I can do it. Okay, sure.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
You're good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. See, unless, even so, yeah, unless she's all the way up against the wall there, see that? And I think what she should have done is have the dryer on this side, but see how they put everything on this side. So she really doesn't, this is too short. If you put it over there, it won't reach. So she's kind of in a pickle. But it's gonna work, because she's got plenty of room, look. So, something to think about. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Have a good day.